Hello YouTube, I'm Jules from the Craft Room. I just thought I'd come in and talk to you about my cross stitching. I haven't done any cross stitching since I was quite a small child, and a couple of years ago I decided to do quite a difficult project, considering I hadn't done anything for a long time, and that was this. I don't know how well you can see it, wedding couple. And I was doing it for my son who was getting married, and it took a long time, but I was really pleased with the turnout, and I've got a picture on my phone here. I don't know if you can see. I will put a picture up here, and I did it slightly different. I added some hearts up here, and obviously I put their names in at the top because I didn't have any space to do it at the bottom, and then I framed it, and then there was some beads I had to put into the hair, so that was a first for me, but I was really chuffed with it. It went really well. So I then moved on to my next project, which was this one. And yeah, and I did that for my granddaughter, and there's a picture of her there with it. And I did that slightly different there because on my one I put the name and the weight in a slightly different place. Right, I then moved on to this one, which I did for a boy. So I did blue feet and a red and a pink heart. And that was for a new grandson, and I think I mentioned it in a previous video, and that was quite a simple one. I did that in an evening. So yes, so now I've got a new project, and I thought I'd show you that. So this is this one here, and I bought this from the Knitting and Stitching show that was in March, just before lockdown. And I bought it then, and it's going to be for I've got two grandsons, two brothers, one's 3 and the other one's 6 months, and I was going to do it for their bedroom, and I'm in two minds whether I'm going to put their date of births and their names on it, but I don't know whether that might spoil it. I'm not sure, so I'll see how it goes, but I thought it'd be nice, hopefully it's a Christmas present, but saying that, it could be that next Christmas if it takes a while. But yeah, so I'm going to start that. It comes with lots of threads in the kit, so that's all the different threads, and they're all labelled up with the different signs. It then has the sheets of what to do, and a book, which is quite good, so telling us what to do, different stitches. So yes, so I've got to start it really, and it's where to start. I had a lot of trouble finding a frame that I could put it on. I ended up getting one of these ones that you put together, and it just fits on there. So, and I found the centre, the needle is in the centre of it, so that I can start and do the first stitch. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to do the first stitch. So and then hopefully I'll be able to sit down in the evenings and finish that off. Luckily, as you can see, if I find the picture again, obviously I don't have to do the sky because the Ada is in blue, so all this light blue up here I don't have to do, so that'll take reduce the stitches, but all the bottom here, all the green grass and the mountains, I've got to do. So there's quite a few stitches. Don't know how long it'll take, doesn't say, but yeah, so that's what I'm going to start doing now, so I'm quite looking forward to that. So I'll be letting you know the progress. Today is the 13th of November, and as soon as I switch this video off, I'm going to do the first stitch. I might even do it while you're on here, if I can figure out what it is. Maybe if I have a look, find the centre. Right, yes, so that's the centre. So we've got first stitch there is in purple. So there, a U. Oh, that is a purple stitch just there. So I'm going to put that in, and then I will carry on. So there we are, first stitch done. So I'll get back to you later and show you what I've done so far.